Good evening, friends. Welcome to DG Stud. I am Ujjwal, and today, as you can see, I have brought the mixed allegation part 2 topic, which is the series ongoing on my channel of SSC CGL 2018 Tier 2 full solution. Okay, so I will explain the things in English and Hindi both. I will talk in Hindi and English both, so that you can understand the concepts in both the languages. As you know, there is a separate paper of English in SSC CGL Tier 2, so you are expected to understand the concepts of English also. Okay, so now I am going to solve the question. Our first question is, so हिंदी भाइयों के लिए भी मैंने क्वेश्चन रखा हुआ है, आप टेंशन ना लें, ठीक है. Alloy A contains copper and zinc in the ratio 4:3 and alloy B contains copper and zinc in the ratio 5:2. A and B are taken in the ratio 5:6 and melted to form a new alloy. Okay, the percentage of zinc in the new alloy is closest to. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया. हिंदी वाले भी देख लो वीडियो पॉज करके, ठीक है. देखो ये हिंदी का क्वेश्चन है, वीडियो पॉज करके देख लेना. ओके, अब सॉल्यूशन पे आते हैं. यार, इससे पहले कि मैं आगे बढ़ूं, मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं कि प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ताकि जितने भी मेरे वीडियोस हैं जो मैं बना रहा हूं वो आप लोगों को लगातार हमेशा मिलते रहें और आपकी पढ़ाई में एक कंटिन्यूटी बनी रहे, ठीक है. और हाँ, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना, ठीक है, ताकि नोटिफिकेशंस हमेशा आपके पास पहले पहुंच जाएं. ओके, चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या है. सॉल्यूशन कैसे करेंगे. बोल रहा है भाई कि यू हैव टू सॉल्यूशंस. ओके, you have A and B, right? In A you have copper and zinc both, and in B also you have copper and zinc both. So in A you have copper and zinc in the ratio of what? 4:3, right? In B you have copper and zinc in the ratio 5:2. Okay, the new mixture is made by taking 5 parts from A and 6 parts from B. Okay, so see this, the 4 plus 3 unit is equal to 7 unit. Okay, 5 plus 2 unit is equal to 7 unit. So both of these solutions contains the sum, total sum equal. Okay, so now what we have to do, take the copper concentration, total amount of copper. Okay, total amount of copper from A will be 4 part, and how much amount it is taken from A? 5 units. Okay, so multiply it with 5. Okay, from B we are taking it as 5 units, but the total amount is from B 6 units. Okay, so the total amount of copper in the new solution will become 50 units. Okay, now for zinc we do the same thing. Okay, from this part we are taking 3, from A we are taking 3 part, and the A solution is taken up to 5 parts only. Okay, 5 part प्लस बी में से कितना लिया. बी में हमने 2 पार्ट लिया जिंक का, एंड वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 6. ओके, बिकॉज 6 पार्ट इज टेकन फ्रॉम बी. नाउ हाउ मच वी विल गेट एज 27, राइट. सो you are being asked find out the percentage of zinc in the new alloy. Okay, you have to find out the zinc concentration of zinc out of the total amount, right? Copper plus zinc. Okay, zinc is 27 and total you will get 77, right, into 100. Just solve this and you will get the answer. I have already calculated in my mind now, but I will solve. You will write 27 as 28 minus 1. Okay, 28 minus 1 upon 77 into 100, right? So separate it, you write it separately, 28 upon 77 minus 1 upon 77, right, or into 100, right? Now what we have to do on solving by 7 table, we will get 4 by 11. Okay, now here what we will get 1 by 77, right? And on the whole we have to multiply 100. On solving this we will get 35 as our answer. You have to just solve it. 4 upon 11 minus 1 upon 77 into 100. You will get 35 approximately. It is not the exact answer. उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आया होगा. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा. A vessel contains 32 liter solution of acid and water in the ratio of acid and water is to 5:3. ठीक है, if 12 liters of the solution are taken out and 7.5 liters of water are added to it, then what is the ratio of acid and water in the resulting solution? कुछ नहीं करना है, बहुत आसान है. हिंदी भाई भी देख लो यार, क्वेश्चन देख लो आप लोग. एक बर्तन में अम्ल और जल का 32 लीटर घोल है. ठीक है, वीडियो पॉज करके आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेना और समझ लेना, मैं आंसर बता रहा हूँ डायरेक्ट. ठीक है, तो देखो इसका आंसर कैसे करेंगे. वी हैव टेकन 32 liters of solution of acid in water. ठीक है, so suppose this is acid, this is water, right? So we are taking 32 liters of it. Acid in the solution is 5 part and water is in the solution 3 part. Okay, so we have overall 32 liter of the solution, so we will get acid as 20 liter and water as 12 liter. Okay, I have already calculated in my mind, because 5 upon 8, you will get 8, you will cut 32 by 8, you will get 4 into 5, 20. Okay, similarly you will get 4 into 3, that is 12. Okay, so it was very easy to calculate it. I hope you have already done it. Now if 12 liters of the solution are taken out, so how much solution you will get? A plus B, sorry, this is acid plus water. Acid plus water, you will get 20 liters. Okay, because out of 32 you have already reduced 12 liters. Okay, so you will get 20 liter of the solution. Now out of 20, the ratio will remain same, that is 5:3. So for the acid you will get the amount left over as 12 and a half. Okay, 12.5 liters. And for water, how much you will get? This is 20 liter and 12 liter. Okay, so for water, how much you will get? That is 7.5 liter. Okay, now what you have to do, you are adding 7.5 liter water to this solution. It means the new amount of water will become how much? You are adding 7.5 liters, so the new amount of water will become 15 liter. Okay, so now we can calculate easily the acid and water ratio. Acid is 12.5, that is 25 by 2. Okay, and water is how much? 15 liter. So we will get the ratio as, on 5 table we will cut it and we will get 5 and 3. So we will get 5 upon 6 as our answer. It was very easy. See how much space has been covered. Nothing in the examination hall. Maximum thing you have to do in your mind. So our answer is B, 5:6. Okay, it was very easy question. हलवा कैटेगरी में रखूंगा यार, कुछ नहीं था इस क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है. हाउ मेनी किलोग्राम ऑफ सॉल्ट कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 28 per kg मस्ट बी मिक्सड विद 39.6 किलोग्राम ऑफ सॉल्ट कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 16 per kg, सो दैट सेलिंग द मिक्सचर एट रुपीज 29.90 देयर इज अ गेन ऑफ 15%. राइट, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन दिस ऑल्सो. हिंदी भाई भी देख ले भाई, हिंदी में क्या क्वेश्चन है. हिंदी में ये क्वेश्चन है, वीडियो पॉज करके एक बार पढ़ लेना और फिर सॉल्यूशन करने का तरीका देखना. ठीक है, स्विच करो यार, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में पता होना चाहिए. You are going to be officer now. देखो इसमें मिक्सचर का क्वेश्चन है. You have to assume X as your CP. Okay, resultant CP of by mixing both these amounts. So resultant CP will be X and you are getting 15% profit over it. 15% profit over it, and you are selling it at 29.90 rupees. Okay, so 15% को हम लोग किस में लिख सकते हैं? रेशियो में लिख सकते हैं क्या? 15/100. Okay, that will be equal to how much? 3/20. राइट. सो अगर आपका 20 रुपए का आपने कोई सामान खरीदा तो आपको 3 रुपए की उस पर प्रॉफिट मिल रही है. ठीक है, सो आपका जो सेलिंग प्राइस हो जाएगा वो कितना हो जाएगा? 23 हो जाएगा. अपॉन 20 ओवर कॉस्ट प्राइस यू विल गेट व्हाट? 29.90. ओके, दिस इज एन assumed amount, so you have to multiply it over cost price. Okay, so cutting it over 23 table we will get as 1.3. So CP will be how much? 26, right? So you have already calculated the amount of CP. Now you have to apply the allocation rule here. For some amount of salt you are selling it at 28 rupees per kg, and some amount, that is this much amount, at rupees 16 per kg. Okay, 16 per kg, and the resultant cost price you will get 26. Okay, applying the allocation rule, what we will get? Here we will get 10, here we will get 2, right? So the actual ratio will become 5:1. So one part is equal to 39.6, right? Because 16 kilogram, 16 rupees per kilogram of salt is mixed with this much amount. Okay, so multiplying this with 5 we will get the answer, but here we can see the options are very far from the actual answer. Okay, so these options are either mistakenly SSC, or either it is my fault. I'm not going to rectify it. You just see the answer just by multiplying 5 with 39.6, because the one part value you are getting as 39.6. So for 5 part, what you will get? 39.6 into 5. Okay, so I am writing the approximate answer, that is 200. Okay, 200 here is your approximate answer, 200 kilogram of the salt. Okay, as you can see from here also, यार यहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हो, आप 16 रुपीस और 28 रुपीस के आप सॉल्ट को मिला रहे हो, तो आप देख रहे हो ये जो 26 रुपए कॉस्ट प्राइस आ रहा है वो 28 रुपए के ज्यादा पास में है, तो इसका मतलब है 28 वाला ज्यादा मिलाया गया होगा इन कंपैरिजन टू 16 किलोग्राम वाले से, 16 रुपीस वाले से. ठीक है, तो उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आया होगा क्या मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ. मिक्सचर और एलिगेशन के यार बेसिक्स पहले थोड़े बहुत क्लियर कर लो तो ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा समझ में आएंगी. ठीक है, तो उम्मीद है आपको आंसर्स पसंद आए होंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा जो भी है वो मैं कल आपको बता दूंगा. कल नए वीडियो के साथ मिलेंगे फिर से. थैंक यू फॉर नाउ एंड हैव अ गुड डे.